From today, never try monetize stars on Facebook while in Kenya. Hi family, welcome back to Audio Spoke TV. It has been a while I've never did a video, but today I'm back like never before. So today I'm going to give you the reality of Facebook. Many people cry, why stars are not eligible in Kenya? More probably in Africa. Yes, most countries are not eligible in Africa. I see only Egypt, but others, Bano, this is now I'm going to tell you guys, monetization on Facebook in stars is a trap in Kenya. Yeah, monetization of stars is a trap in Kenya simply because when you try monetizing Facebook stars in Kenya, it will tell you you are eligible, yes. But when you go to monetize after 2 days, it will tell you you are not eligible to our criteria yet. Remember, stars and subscription are not available in Kenya and other part of Africa. It's not eligible. In Africa, we are given only content monetization. Only content monetization. If not content monetization, drop that crap out. Because tell me why when you get to apply on stars, it will tell you you are eligible. Then when you go, it will tell you eligible criteria 2 out of 3. You go and see 500 followers, done. You go and see 500 followers for 30 consecutive days, done. Then you draw lines for the third one. That one is stars, residence. Your residence is not yet available. Why? Because you are not a member of America. Your account is not from Germany. Your account is not from UK. It's from Africa. And remember, monetization in Africa, we only get like 2 years back or 1 year. That was 2024 September, where we got monetization in Kenya on Facebook. That's content monetization, where we get eligible for getting money from reels, bonus, stars, no star, photos and stories only. So guys, never try monetizing stars in Kenya because it is a trap. One, you can get your recommendation suspended, or you will be no longer earning money with your profile. So, and when you get suspended on your recommendation, you will not be eligible to get more views as usual or more likes as usual. Engagement will drop. And when we say dropping engagement, if you are getting 1,000 followers, 1,000 views, you will start getting 2, 4, 5, which is bad. So guys, can you please follow the guidelines and the criteria of Kenya and Africa? Don't bother why Americans are getting stars and subscription. Why UK are getting stars and subscription. Leave them aside. We have our part, we play our part, and we do it clear and soft. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let's meet in another video. More videos are coming and they will be suitable for you guys. Thank you so much.